Using social media. Social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Delicious, StumbleUpon, among others, are great sources for increasing business and new leads through subtle marketing. These sites give you the opportunity to establish your brand name in front of millions of people worldwide in friendly, conversational environments. Furthermore, they are a great tool to keep in touch with your customers, establish an online reputation, and introduce your products and services to the global community in cost-effective ways. In fact, there are no initial costs to join most social media channels, and they have proven to be as effective as, or more so, than just plain advertising. Traditional advertising can become very costly, and it does not have permanence. Once you stop paying for your advertising message, you are off the radar, and most people can forget about you and your business very rapidly. On the other hand, when you establish a presence in social media sites, you become a more permanent staple in the community. Furthermore, social media gives you the chance to befriend your customers, leverage word-of-mouth advertising, and exchange useful communication with other colleagues and other members of the social media community. Moreover, social media are a very effective way of networking your business. Nevertheless, before you join, you should create a strategic plan on how you will leverage these resources in your marketing campaigns. It can be very time-consuming to ensure that you keep on top of what is going on in the community, participate in discussions, and contribute on your own material. Planning becomes essential because of the fast-paced communication inherent in most of these social media channels. It is not enough to just log in once a week or every few months. To keep your presence fresh in a dynamic way, you need to participate on a daily basis and make sure that you are not inevitably spamming, because you can easily get blocked, or worse, the social media outlet can cancel your account. Social media marketing is about establishing friendly connections with other people sharing your interests. Your marketing message should be provided within the context of a conversation or useful tips and resources for the community. Avoid posting direct advertisement in the traditional sense. Furthermore, make sure that your postings are engaging and even fun. Don't be afraid to use humour.